If you've ever wondered how to view Steam screenshots, whether they're your own screenshots or screenshots shared by the community, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. It's actually very simple once you know where to look, and in this video I'll show you the exact path inside Steam so you can find screenshots fast without getting lost. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam in your web browser or open the Steam client if you already have it installed. For this walkthrough, we're starting from the Steam store because it gives you the easiest path to the community content. Once Steam loads, use the search bar at the top right to search for the game you want. Type the game name carefully, then select it from the results so you can open the game's store page. Now that you're on the game's store page, look along the right side of the page. You should see a section called Community Hub. This is the part of Steam where player content is organized, including discussions, guides, artwork, and screenshots. Click Community Hub to continue. After you click it, the game's community page will open. This is where Steam collects all of the community features for that specific game. So if you're trying to view screenshots related to that title, this is exactly where you need to be. At the top menu of the community page, look for the Screenshots tab and click it. Once you're in the screenshot section, you'll be able to browse screenshots tied to that game. Depending on the game and your account, you may see community screenshots, your own uploaded screenshots, or a mix of both. You can scroll through the page, open individual images, and explore the screenshots that other players have shared. If you're looking for your personal screenshots, make sure you're signed into the same Steam account that captured them. That way, Steam can show your uploads and make it much easier to review your saved images. If the screenshots don't appear right away, refresh the page or double check that you're on the correct game's community hub. So to recap, the full process is open Steam, search for the game, open the game's store page, click Community Hub, and then select Screenshots from the top menu. That's the fastest way to view Steam screenshots for any game. I hope this guide made it clear and easy to follow. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.